How do we have these appointments? And this has now become the requirement with NAR. And I gave you a 4-part track: lead in, investigate, share and show, and tie down. This one is not new, guys. This one I've had for a very long time. All my videos have been based on this. You coaches have used this time and time again. You ask certain questions at a listing appointment. You ask certain questions at a buyer appointment. You investigate a certain way. And we got listing agents that have never been on a buyer appointment or haven't been on one in a long time. And so this is our opportunity to bring your commentary into the 4 phases. Here's what I do in lead-in, how I build that relationship and that rapport, and how I have that third-party endorsement. What do we say? What questions are we asking? And then more importantly, there should be an entire section about how we show and share our value. Why would somebody want to hire me as their buyer's agent? Why would someone hire me as a listing agent? Why would they want to hire us as a company? Why do they want to hire an agent that hasn't had their license for more than 15 minutes? Like, we show and share that value. And then finally, we should be doing role plays with the tie down. And don't deviate from my final question, which is, would you like to hire me? Help them with the objections that come that way. When somebody says, I don't know, let me think about it. I don't know, I know another agent. How do we respond to these things?